Question 17. Mathematics teacher of a school took her 10th standard students to show Red Fort. It was a part of their educational trip. The teacher had interest in history as well. She narrated the facts of Red Fort to students. Then the teacher said, in this monument one can find combination of solid figures. There are two pillars which are cylindrical in shape, also two domes at the corners which are hemispherical, seven smaller domes at the center. Flag hoisting ceremony on Independence Day takes place near these domes. Now the first question is, how much cloth material will be required to cover two big domes, each of radius 2.5 meters? Here we'll take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now in this question basically we need to know the volume area of a sphere as well as a cylinder, because the pillars are in the form of cylinders. So let's see, the first one is cloth material required, so which will be equal to the surface area. So 2 into the surface area of hemisphere. There are two domes. So 2 into 2 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r, here is 2.5. This is equal to 78.57 meters square. Therefore the answer is B. For the second part, write the formula to find the volume of a cylindrical pillar. So this is a cylinder, this is r and the height is h. So the volume is equal to pi r squared, the circle, into h, or pi r square h. So the answer is A in this case. Third question, third part. Find the lateral surface area of two pillars if height of the pillar is 7 meters and radius of the base is 1.4. So height is equal to 7 and radius is equal to 1.4. Surface area is equal to 2 into, there are two pillars, 2 pi r h. 2 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r, which is 1.4 into 7. So this gives us 123.2 meters square. Therefore the answer is B. Fourth question. How much is the volume of a hemisphere if the radius of the base is 3.5? So radius is equal to 3.5. So volume of a hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 cube, which is equal to 89.83 meter cube. The answer is D. So most of these questions, when we are answering, we have to remember that we have to put the unit in the end, because when we calculate we just use the numbers like 3.5, but it's in meters. So in the end when we write, therefore the volume of the sphere is 89.83 meter cube. Here we have options, so we say answer D, but in general when we have to write answers we should always mention the units. Okay, so the last part, what is the ratio of sum of volumes of two hemispheres of radius 1 centimeter each to the volume of a sphere of radius 2? So radius of hemisphere is equal to 1 centimeter and radius of sphere is equal to 2 centimeter. Now volume of two hemispheres is equal to 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1 cube. Now volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2 cube. So the ratio is equal to ratio of two hemispheres, which is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1, by the volume of cube, 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2 cube. This goes, is equal to 1 by 8. So the ratio is 1 by 8. Answer is B. Hey guys, if you like the video, do like and share it and subscribe to my channel.